So, this is my very first FabFitFun Advent Calendar. If you want to see what's in it, hang around and we'll find out together. Hey fashion friends, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. My name is Andrea and I like to do unboxings and shopping hauls, mostly clothing, subscription clothing, shopping hauls, try-ons, that type of thing. But occasionally I will do a lifestyle box, and I do subscribe to FabFitFun. And this is a special edition of FabFitFun because it's an advent calendar. It was about $90. I'm not even sure what's in it. It just sounded interesting, and you don't get to choose anything, so it's kind of funny because it says you picked the best stuff. But FabFitFun is a lifestyle box, and so they have beauty, they have makeup, they have home stuff, they just all kinds of different stuff. So I just thought it would be fun to see what was in their advent calendar. I don't do a lot of advent calendars, but I thought I would give this one a try. So it just arrived yesterday. And if you like the kind of content that I create, then I hope that you will hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you always know when I put out a new video. And if you enjoy the video, please give me the like, leave me a comment, do all those things that help me grow my channel. And thank you so much for spending part of your day watching my video. And if you've done any of those things, then I really, really so appreciate it. So it says, happiest FabFitFun holidays, FabFitFun 2024. So this is what it looks like. Looks like we've got 12 doors. This is exciting. This is like Christmas coming early. Okay, so number one, this is number one right here. All right, it's perforated, but it is not, it's not going easily. Okay, first thing is a full-size product, Murad Renewing Cleansing Cream. Murad is a good brand, and a cleansing cream is something that I can always use. Usually it is, let's see, it is 6.75 ounces, and usually I do stuff that's just clean skincare and makeup, but I definitely will be able to put that to good use. So I will try to find out what the values of these things are. I don't know if it's on the website, but I can look it up and I'll put it below when I show them. I dropped my letter opener, which I need to open up the boxes. All right, so I think we are off to a good start. Let's see, put it up there. Okay, number two is down there on the bottom, and that one's smaller looking. So I can't remember what they said the value was. Thrive Cosmetics Highlighting Stick. So it's a Thrive Cosmetics, and it looks like it is I feel like I might have this. Oh, that's a pretty color. Let's see. Oh, it comes off like, we'll have to see. I believe that's for your eyes. Ring light technology. I wonder what that is. It's the shade Pilly. And it is equipped with a built-in sharpener. That's great. I love those. Shine bright with long-lasting cool gold shimmer powered by ring light technology to diffuse light and define features. Instantly highlights, brightens, and opens your eyes. I like the color. Okay, so that's good. All right, number 3 is there. That's another small one. Okay, so this is a Fenty Beauty Slip Shine lipstick in Gojang, and it looks smaller than the one that I have. I actually really like this lipstick. I had bought a couple at Sephora and it looked like they quit making it, and I was able to order one from my last FabFitFun box. So I was really excited about that. So I am really excited about that. So far, these have been great items. Okay, number 4 is another pretty big square. It is a Hava Smoothing Hand Cream, and it is made with superfood, kale, and turmeric. That is definitely something I can use. I like to have hand creams kind of all over the place, by my bed, by my desk. I can put this one where I sit on the sofa and watch TV. Again, a good product. Okay, 5 is, let's see. You know what, I'm not going to keep showing you, but it's a smaller box. So far, I've been impressed. Okay, number 5 is Tower Luminous Tinted Balm. What is this? Tap and blend onto cheeks and lips. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Okay, so that's the color. Open it up because it's reflecting. So it is like a creamy balm. I'll have to see how that looks on my cheeks. That might be a good color for fall. All right, another good product. Next is number 6. Okay, number 6 is Malin and Goats Dark Rum Scented Candle. How did they know that I love rum? All right, so it's a little candle. It actually smells quite nice. All right, another good product. The other thing you could do, if something wasn't your jam, you could gift it. So that's another thing you could do with these items. All right, next up we have got, what is this? It's hard to read, by Rosie Jane. Is it? Oh, it's by Rosie Jane. Is that the company? It's a scent, cologne, perfume. And it's got a roller ball. Let's see. Is that what that's for? It's impossible to read that. I mean, somebody was not thinking. So I don't know if it's a scent. It doesn't really seem to have much of a scent. So maybe it's for lips. Okay, that one I do not know what it is because the printing is like white on cream. And I just cannot. Clean Beauty for Cool Humans. I don't know what it is. Sorry. All right, what am I up to? 7. I am up to number 8. Eight is a tall one. And it is Caviar Anti-Aging Volume Styling Mist. I wonder how that would work with my curls. Caviar is a really good brand, so that is definitely something I will give a try. Sometimes just to mix things up, instead of just letting my curls go natural, I will use my Dyson Airwrap barrels and get bigger, kind of softer curls. So definitely can give that a try. All right, number 9. Let's see, we've got a little pouch. Oh, it looks like it's going to be a necklace. Pave outlined baguette solitaire pendant necklace. It's in this little pretty pink pouch. Put everything back there. So there we go. And I get jewelry a lot from FabFitFun, and usually I'm pretty happy with it. All right. That's what that looks like. I actually have something pretty identical, sorry, I'm giving you the wrong side, that I got from Rocksbox. This one, slightly different. So I like that. That's cute. That's another good piece. Honestly, there hasn't been anything that I haven't been happy with. Okay, number 10. Just that one item, which I'm just not sure what it is. This is Petty in a Box, Ultimate 6-Step by Vosh, New York. We've got a sea salt soak, sugar scrub, mud mask, callus remover gel, massage butter, and moisturizer. So a kit to give yourself, got these packets, a kit to give yourself a pedicure. Again, very useful item. All right, 10. Okay, 11. We're down to the last 2. All right, we've got a hairbrush here by INH. Vegan Mixed Bristle Brush, Never Naughty. Multi-action dual bristles, perfect for human and synthetic hair, prevents breakage, promotes hair growth. Could use that. It is a hairbrush. It's got different types of bristles. It's got like the bristly type and then the spiky type. All right. Another, like I said, another good item. Useful. This has definitely been worth it. For $90, yep, good value. All right, last item, number 12. It's packed well. And number 12, oh yay. First Aid Ultra Repair Cream. I love this stuff in candy cane. So does it have, I'll have to see. Has a little bit of a scent. So I get this in like tubs, and it is the best lotion I have ever used in my 64 years, almost 64. I'll be 64 in a few weeks. It is just, you know, I live in a very dry climate. Sometimes my skin gets really, really itchy. I call them the horrible itchies because it's like nothing seems to help. I don't get it when I use this regularly. So this is a nice travel size to be able to put in, you know, my toiletry bag. And yes, I am super excited. You guys, I think this box was amazing. If you have not tried FabFitFun, I will go ahead and put my link below. I know that gives you something off. I can't remember what exactly, but if you were on the fence about the FabFitFun Advent Calendar, I would say 2 thumbs up. So, and I don't know if you can order it if you're not a member. And with membership, you can be an annual member where you pay up front for the 4 boxes, or you can go seasonally. You pay a little extra when you go seasonally. But yay, I'm super happy with my purchase and what I got in my advent calendar. Leave me a comment if you've gotten the advent calendar from FabFitFun, or if you've gotten any other advent calendars. Let me know what you think of them. And until next time, fashion friends, don't forget to dress like you mean it.